This is a really useful way to use assistive touch to help you when you're doing any video demonstrations on your iPad. So what I'm doing here is I'm showing you with my assistive touch button the buttons that I'm clicking on in order to get this tool up on my screen. So if you've not done this already, go into accessibility, and then if you go up to touch, which I've just shown here, press touch, and then go up to the top button which says assistive touch, and there's a little slider button. Now just now I've got it on, which is why you can see my button. Now if I slide this off, my button will disappear. So if you've not got that setting on, you won't have a button appearing. So this is how you get your assistive touch button to appear on your home screen, and that allows you to do any video demonstrations where you can point and show the students which buttons you are pressing.